This is contestant number 1489 and this is my video for the competition. I start washing the surface with soap water, making sure to fully cover all the surface with the soap, even the sides. And then I grab my hot water to rinse out all the soap on the surface. Last but not least, I grab my spray and start to sanitize all the table, to then try it with a clean towel. Once I'm done cleaning the table, I then wash my hands so that I can proceed with the knife cuts. For my knife cuts, I'm gonna be using carrots, so I get all the missing plots required to do my knife cuts. And then after washing my carrots, I start peeling them off and making sure I have always my station cleaned and organized. Starting with my Brunoise cuts, I cut juliennes, kind of like a matchstick looking carrot, to then cut those in like 1 to 2 millimeter squares. That's my Brunoise right there. And for my medium, I'm gonna repeat the same process, just leaving them a little thick. For the large dice, I like to use the end of the carrot. For this part, I'm gonna be doing my julienne cuts. I need to cut thin slices to then cut those in like 1 to 2 millimeters thick. You can see the consistency of the cut in this clip. And then finally my batonette cuts that can go very well with any dip. After cleaning my station, I then get my missing plots ready for cutting my chicken. I cut any excess skin connecting the breast to my legs. I take the gizzards out, I cut my legs right in the joint, and then I cut my wings. I clean any excess skin off of my wings, and then I cut that tip to have my chicken wings nice and pretty. You can use that later for chicken stock. Now I start cutting my chicken breast, making sure I follow the wishbone. I cut any excess skin off my chicken breast, and then I cut the tenderloin off. I can do chicken nuggets with that. After that, I'm gonna cut my chicken legs to get my thighs and my drumsticks apart. As an extra step, I cut my chicken wings to have 2 full pairs of them. And there you have it. This is how my chicken looks like after cutting it in 8 pieces. I then go and rinse off my cutting board, washed it. Then I wash my hotel pan in the 3 compartment sink next to my knife. And then I wash my hands again with hot water and soap. After this, I'm gonna be cooking my chicken after I'm done cleaning the table again. The process for the cleaning is the same. I grabbed hot soapy water, got all the surface, even the sides, and then I use just regular hot water to get all the soap out. Finally, I use sanitizer in spray. You can either spray it and let it air dry or dry it with a towel. And finally, I'm gonna get my missing plus ready to cook my chicken. I get my thermometer, all my seasonings. I get 2 pairs of tongs, one for the raw chicken and one for the cooked one. I'm also gonna get another hotel pan that's on the stove. Then I season my chicken with garlic, onion, salt, and pepper. Now on the stove, I'm gonna heat up my stainless steel pan, get some oil there, add some butter to it, let it melt it. Once my pan is completely hot, I'm gonna go ahead and put my chicken breast, one of them on the skin side first, so it gets a nice golden brown color. I'm just gonna let it there for a couple minutes, like 1 or 3. Then I'm gonna flip it over so we can see the nice color it's gotten. And then just let it there for a couple more minutes. Then I'm also gonna pan sear my sides. Now with a clean pair of tongs, I'm gonna get my chicken, put it in a new hotel pan, and get it ready to be in the oven for like 10 to 12 minutes. And then I check the temperature, it reads 170. This is the inside of my chicken. This is the final look of it. I decided to plate it with some parsley on the plate and on top of it. I think it looks really nice. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching.